never lost weight. I lost weight at the beginning, but I could never maintain it. I could not make it a lifestyle out of it. Before I was diagnosed, I said I was gonna go for a walk, which I didn't. I said I was going to join the gym, which I didn't. Life got just so busy with the business, everything took priority. But that's how I became a diabetic. So, how it has changed, every morning I get up, drink my water, and I go walking. We walk 30 minutes, Zoe and I. We have a park behind here. So for now, walking is my main exercise that I do. Klinio app has exercises specifically for women my age with my condition, and I do some of the exercises that I incorporated, but not as often as I need to. But walking is right now my go-to. My dietary habits before Klinios was fast foods, put no thoughts into it, just calm the hunger down, thinking that you eat healthy just because you eat a piece of vegetable or a piece of fruit, but then you go ahead and have all that bread. So there was no thought put into it, So before it was eating everything and eating for emotional reasons. Now my eating habits is more to nurture myself, to give myself the medicine that I need in order to maintain my blood sugar at the level that it needs to be. That's how it has changed. After my diabetes and meeting with Klinio, I learned about unprocessed food, clean eating. Don't need all that starch and carbs, but yet you get to eat breads. You just need to understand how to combine everything. So my habits now are very healthy and very conscious about it. Looking at the foods, they were so full of carbs and sugar and things that takes you to become a diabetic if you have the genes already in it, That's just my opinion. I could be wrong. Looking at all the different dietary foods, I see they're trying to attract you more for what it looks like, that sweet tooth, and there is just so many hidden calories and sugars and artificial stuff in there that you don't need, So that's the reason why, for me, I never lost weight. I lost weight at the beginning, but I could never maintain it. I could not make it a lifestyle out of it because it was not food that you actually buy and prepare yourself. For me, what makes sense was what Klinio has suggested for me. Clean food, your portion. If you make the right combination, you don't have hunger, you have the energy, and you feel great, and your blood sugar stays in the normal rate.